So this is my winter vlog, and as you can see, I'm walking my dog. This is basically an upgrade from the last video. And the last video we were walking to the park in a blizzard. And
Subscribe!
It was like 6 to 10 inches of snow out, so it was really a struggle. And it's really cold outside. And yeah, this is our vlog. We're just showing you and going through what
It's
we're doing
freezing, guys.
right now. So, yeah, my mom.
Hi. Show the floor. Show how much snow on it.
Look how much snow. It's like big piles of snow everywhere. It's so crazy. We're just gonna walk around this car. Yeah. You know, we're walking in the street. How crazy is that? Well, we're
Crazy enough to believe it.
We're not that crazy. Everybody's walking in the snow. If you look over there, like everybody's walking in the snow. It's so much easier to walk in the snow. Walk in the road, I mean. And yeah, this is our vlog. This is the second vlog I'm making. And I'm going to be making like 10 vlogs today for the most. And yeah,
And doing your
guys.
homework. I mean 10 vlogs. You have to do your homework.
I know.
Parents be like.
First of all, I just need a